Check out this sweet electric air duster that was sent to me to try out and let you know what I think. I am a sucker for air dusters. I don't know what to tell you. I loved the old canned air things, and I really love these things because they're never-ending supply of air. This one is really nice. I like the compact size of it. I like the shape of the handle and how it feels in my hand. I have fairly average size hands. They don't quite wrap fully around it, but it's a really comfortable grip, actually. This is sort of molded instead of a complete square, which I think a lot of these come in. I've talked a long time about the shape of the handle, but you can tell that's important to me. Power button on the back, as you can see. There's a power button, then the USB-C charger there. Then on the side here, you have the 3 lights for indicator. That's going to indicate both the speed that you're in as well as the charge of the device. You got all 3 lights, you're at 100% charge. 2 lights is 50%, 1 light is 25%. So just be aware of that. It also, as you press the power button, will drop the number of lights, and that indicates the speed that you're on, high, medium, or low. High speed is a high speed. Low and medium are also great speeds depending on what you're doing. The nice thing about low and medium is that there's an automatic setting in this, so that as you press it, if you just touch it one time, it's in automatic. So you don't have to stand there holding the button. You can even just place it down on a desktop or whatever, put something in front of it if you need to blow it clean or whatever, then you're sort of hands-free, both hands are available. Whereas on the high setting, you do need to press that trigger button the whole time. In addition to the device itself, it also comes with a charging cord, which is USB-A to USB-C, as you might expect. It also has 3 other nozzles. Now, the nozzles really are going to be a preference thing, like what is going to work best for you based on what you're doing. See the 3 different kinds? You have a long, medium, the short guy is currently on there, and then you have the sort of flat one. And this is just a blower. It does not also suck. It is not a vacuum. So you're going to be able to change those out. Super easy to change them out. All you do is twist the nozzle and pop it off and throw the next nozzle on and twist it on. Done. Let me show you how it works. So you got the turn on the power, you press and hold to get the power on. I got all 3 lights. It's fully charged. So with the high, like I said, you do have to hold it. And as you hold it and release it, now it stops. Okay, now you press the power button one time. You see it drops to 2. Now we're on the medium speed. I press it once and it stays on. I really kind of like that, I'm not gonna lie. This is a really nice, high quality air duster blower situation. You know where I use it, which is sort of a crazy place to use it, but it sometimes comes in super handy? On the pickleball court. Sometimes there's just debris all over the court, and this thing is powerful enough that I can run it on the court and it super blows everything off. It's great. I think you're really gonna like it and you should check it out.